And now practice or brush off your Uzbek. Dunyoning tagiga yetish uchun baridan ajrash kerak ekan. Barini yo'qotish lozimmish. Lekin katta o'ylamay tursin hozircha. Mayda narsalarga diqqatini tortsin. She'rda ham shunday emasmi? Katta narsalarga chalg'ish she'rning o'lim tushagida topish. She'rni she'r qiluvchi narsa bu o'sha oddiy tafsilotdek tuyulgani, butun dunyoni anglatuvchi mayda chuydalar emasmi? Deylik, hozir ham u neki bilayotgan esa bularning barini she'rlardan bilardi. Yillarcha do'sti AI bilan tarjima qilganlardan. Mana xarob bo'lib o'tirgan yerining choyxona emas, xarobot deb atalishi ham o'sha g'azallardan olingan bilim emasmi? Ma'noda ramz olursa muammo kalomda. Tolib u she'rga bil ulamoyi zamonadir. Dilbarlarning tafakkurga yo'q tabi, ularning sevganlari faqat g'azali oshqonadir.
To reach the very bottom of the world, apparently one had to separate oneself from everything, lose everything. But now is not the time for big thoughts. You had to focus on the small things. It was the same with a poem, wasn't it? Get distracted by the big stuff and your poem dies. Wasn't the thing that made a poem its perception of ordinary details, the bits and pieces that explain the entire world? For instance, whatever he happened to know right now, he had learned it all from poems, from what he and his friend AI had spent years translating. It was knowledge taken from those ghazals, which came not from sitting around the ruined local tea house, but from the ruinous local tavern. If the symbol dies in the meaning or the riddle in the speaking, you know the time has come for the pupil to be master to the poem. The world's most stunning lovers are not inclined to thinking. The only thing they love is the passion for the poem.